Please switch off your mobile or assign a silent mode. Thank you.
सगळे सगळे पाहुणे ऑफिसचे ज्युनियर सगळे.
I request Shri Ajay Talhar, Deputy Solicitor General of India, to speak few words on this occasion.
Your Lordship, the Honorable Chief Justice of Bombay High Court, all the Honorable Puny Judges of Bombay High Court, the Honorable Members of the Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa, President, Secretary of Advocates Association, Member of the Bar, Standing Council for the Government of India and the Government of Maharashtra, my esteemed colleague at the bar, brothers and sisters. Today we are gathered here to bid farewell to Honorable Justice H.G. Mehare, remembering his support and contribution to both the bar and the bench. My Lord, although we are bidding farewell to you, from this bench, the bench shall forever be safeguarded by the wisdom, your judgment, integrity, and dedication that you have imparted. Justice Mehere's tenure has been marked by an unwavering commitment to justice and fairness. His meticulous approach to the law, coupled with his compassionate understanding of the human side of every case, has set an example for us all. He has never hesitated to guide and mentor young lawyers, offering them direction and instilling in them the values of diligence, perseverance, and ethical practice. Many junior advocates have found him not just a learned judge, but also a mentor who was always willing to lend an ear and extend a helping hand. One of Justice Mehare most admirable qualities has been his ability to bridge linguistic barriers in the pursuit of justice. Recognizing that some advocates faced difficulties with English, he often facilitated proceeding by using Marathi, ensuring that no lawyer felt disadvantaged due to language constraint. His firm yet fair approach in court has earned him the respect of all, be it his colleagues, junior lawyers, or litigants. His judgment, known for their clarity and well-reasoned argument, will serve a guiding precedence for years to come. The legal fraternity will always cherish and professionalism and humility with which he carried out his responsibilities. On this occasion, as we extend our heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Justice H.G. Mehare for his invaluable contributions, we also wish him the very best for his future endeavors. Though he may be retiring from this bench, his wisdom, principles, and kindness will continue to inspire us all. My Lord, may your days ahead be filled with happiness, health, and success. The legacy you leave behind will continue to guide and motivate generation of lawyers and judges to come. Thank you.
request Shri Amarjit Singh B. Girase, government leader, to speak few words.
Honorable, the Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court, Honorable Justice Shri Mehare, Honorable Judges of the Bombay High Court, Deputy Solicitor General of India Shri Ajay Tallar, Members of the Bar Council Shri Amolji Sawant, President of the High Court Bar Association Shri Avinash Borulkar, respected designated senior counsel and distinguished members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen. It is with deep sense of admiration and gratitude that we gather here today to honor the remarkable judicial career of Justice Shri S.G. Mehare. As he embarks upon his well-earned retirement, this occasion is not merely a ceremonial farewell, but a profound journey to a life dedicated to pursuit of justice, fairness, and judicial excellence. Justice Mehare's journeys in the legal profession is a testament to his unwavering dedication, intellectual rigor, and unshakable integrity. His lordship began practice with senior lawyer Shri Gandhi at Akola. My lords, being an advocate with impeccable legal acumen, combined with a reputation for fairness and ethical advocacy, earned him immense respect among the peers and the judiciary alike. Recognizing his exceptional competence and commitment to justice, his lordship was appointed as a district judge on 2nd May 2008. Over the years from Diu Daman to Gadchiroli, Nanded to Mumbai, his lordship tenure was full of dedication to public service and institutional integrity. The pinnacle of his illustrious career came with his elevation as an additional judge of the Bombay High Court on 25th June 2021. In this esteemed capacity, he has presided over numerous complex cases, delivering judgments that reflect not only his profound knowledge of the law, but also his unwavering commitment to justice, equity, and constitutional morality. Justice Mehare has epitomized the qualities that define a truly distinguished jurist: clarity of thoughts, firmness of principle, and an unrelenting pursuit of justice. His courtroom has been a sanctuary of unrelenting deliberation, where the voice of the common citizen found expression and the majesty of law stood unshaken. As a bid farewell, it is the only fitting that we honor his legacy with a Sanskrit verse that truly captures the essence of his service. Satyam vadam dharmacharam, nyayena margena mrutena dharmecha palet, sa nyayamurti vijayate, satyam mere vijayate. Speak the truth, uphold the righteous, walk the path of justice, and govern with fairness. A true judge triumphs through the justice, for truth alone prevails. On behalf of the entire legal fraternity, we express our deepest appreciation and gratitude for your dedicated service. As you step into this new chapter of life, we wish you health, happiness, and continued success in all your future endeavors. May this new journey be as fulfilling as your remarkable career. Thank you.
Request Shri Amol S. Sawant, Member, Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa, to speak few words.
Is the Honorable Chief Justice of Bombay High Court, Senior Most Judge of Bombay High Court, Bench at Aurangabad, and my Lord Justice Shri S.G. Mehare, as well as the other Honorable Judges of this bench, Mr. Borulkar, the President of Bar Association, as well as the Managing Committee, the Senior Advocates, Government Leader Shri Girase, Deputy Solicitor General Shri Tallar, my brothers and sisters in the fraternity. Today we are assembled here for one full court farewell function of Honorable Justice Shri S.G. Mehare. I know meeting in a farewell function is a difficult task. I know what we are missing from tomorrow. No court comprising of Honorable Justice Mehare is available for us. Honorable Justice Mehare hails from Vidarbha region. Honorable Justice was also elected as a president of Akola Bar Association twice with a thumping majority. Thereafter, the Honorable Justice has been elevated as a judge of Bombay High Court on 25th June 2021. Honorable Justice delivered various landmark judgments during his lordship's tenure. The firmness in decision with the smile while hearing the arguments of the advocates created a special place in the minds of all of us who appeared before him. It is always accepted by the advocates who appeared before the Honorable Justice. Within a minute, my lords came to the main and core issue of the case. I had also privilege to argue the matters before my lords. My lords knows our matter more than us. My lords' contribution cannot be measured by the judgments, but the quality of judgments. During the Lordship's distinguished period as Honorable Judge of Bombay High Court, your Lordships has already maintained the delicate balance between the bar and bench. The bar is the best judge for the considering the journey of the judge. The journey of the Honorable Justice Mehare is deeply reached. The said journey is remembered forever on various counts, such as a limitless patience while hearing the case. I never seen the Honorable Justice become angry or irritating to the advocates or because of the lengthy submissions of the advocates. There is always a pleasant smile on the face of my lords when the advocate or members of the bar committed a mistake or avoiding or giving the answer of the queries made by the your lordship. My lord's reaction is only a little smile on the face. Thereafter, immediately we stop our arguments and close the briefs. In the court of my lords, the juniors are also happy because the full opportunity to argue the case is available to them. It is always a learning process while appearing before my lords. If the social cause and niceties of the law are pitted against each other, the verdict of the my lords is always tilt in favor of the social cause for a poor litigants. I am informed about the time for my speech. Therefore, I conclude my speech and I request my lords to accept the heartful wishes for further journey on behalf of the Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa, as well as the Bar Association Aurangabad. I am sure that my lords would be available for guidance to us in future and forever. With this, I conclude my speech.
Now I request Shri Avinash Borurkar, President Advocates Association of Bombay at Aurangabad, to speak few words.
The Honorable Chief Justice, the Honorable Judges of the High Court Bench at Aurangabad, my senior and junior colleagues, the family members of Justice H.G. Mehare, we have gathered here to farewell to Justice H.G. Mehare, the man known by company he keeps, and a judge is known by his judgments. Justice H.G. Mehare is a very courageous and bold judge. His judgments will reflect his courage. In one judgment, he said, God is not a fiefdom of a ruling party and cancelled the appointment of managing committee of famous Sai Baba Trust. He valued human rights. Therefore, in one matter, he castigated the prosecution for not producing accused on 70 days. His judgments will guide us in our future. Lawyer practicing at Akola, Washim, and Buldana achieved a success in his judicial career and left his feet imprints on our mind by his conduct. In his court, everybody felt affection, and therefore every lawyer was free to express his case with the fullest opportunity. And similarly, Justice H.G. Mehare always used to encourage the junior lawyers to work out the matter fearlessly. Because of such opportunity, many junior lawyers are now nowadays arguing and conducting matter very well. On behalf of the entire bar members, I wish long, happy, and healthy life to Justice H.G. Mehare. Thank you.
My esteemed colleagues on the bench, Shri Ajay Tilhar, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Shri Amarjit B. Girase, Government Pleader, High Court of Bombay at Aurangabad, Shri Amol S. Sawant, Member Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa, Shri Avinash R. Borurkar, President and other office bearers of Advocate Association of Bombay High Court at Aurangabad, learned senior advocates and members of the bar, members of the registry and the staff, ladies and gentlemen. A very good evening to one and all. We have assembled here to bid farewell to Mr. Justice Sanjay Mehare, who is demitting office after rendering a distinguished judicial service. Justice Mehare comes from a family of first generation of lawyers. He had a humble beginning, faced challenges, but was determined to pursue his passion for law. He secured a bachelor's degree in law in 1988. Thereafter, he started his practice at the district courts of Akola, Amravati, Washim, and Buldana. Very soon, he established a successful practice. After 10 years into the practice, he decided to shift to judicial service and was appointed as a district judge on 2nd of May 2008. As a district judge, he served in various capacities and at various places such as principal district and session judge at Dadra Nagar Haveli, at Silvassa, Gadchiroli, Nanded, Aurangabad, and Nagpur. He also served as charity commissioner of the state of Maharashtra. He reached a milestone in his career with his elevation as an additional judge of this court on 25th of June 2021 and was made a permanent judge on 9th of March 2023. As a judge of this court, he has earned reputation of being an upright and a bold judge while discharging his constitutional obligations. He dealt with various legal issues with clarity and precision and earned the respect and admiration of the colleagues, lawyers, and litigants alike. Justice Mehare has disposed of more than 12,200 cases in his short tenure. Law reports bear a testimony to his erudition. Beyond court work, Justice Mehare has a passion for teaching and reading books. While working as Principal District and Session Judge Nagpur, Justice Mehare had imparted education training to 120 newly recruited assistant public prosecutors at Judicial Officers Training Institute, Nagpur, for many days, stretching up to late hours. Justice Mehare also wrote an article on Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and his judicial system, which was published by the Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa in its souvenir released at State Lawyers Conference held in Aurangabad in 2020-22. He has a soft and calm nature and is liked by his colleagues, lawyers, and staff equally. He is bestowed with qualities like punctuality, promptness, and patience. In my short interaction with Justice Mehare, I found him to be extremely cordial and a gentleman par excellence. We will miss him hereinafter. As Justice Mehare embarks on a new chapter of his life, we hope it is filled with joy, fulfillment, and all the pursuits he holds dear. On behalf of my colleagues on the bench as well as my own behalf, I wish Justice Mehare and his family happiness and good health in future. Now I request Justice S.G. Mehare to respond.
Honorable the Chief Justice of the High Court of Bombay, Shri Alok Ji Aradhe, respected administrative judges and all my esteemed sisters and brother judges, Shri Ajay Talar, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Bombay High Court, Bench at Aurangabad, Shri Amarjit Singh Girase, Government Pleader, Bombay High Court, Bench at Aurangabad, Shri Amol S. Sawant, Member Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa, and Shri Avinash Borulkar, President Advocates Association of Bombay High Court, Bench at Aurangabad, all my brothers, sister lawyers from the bar, including those who have been traveled from Nagpur, Akola, and beyond, and few of the judges, my relatives, friends, juniors, and everyone present in the court. Good evening, all. The past quarter to 4 years have flown by like a breeze. It feels as if my tenure began only yesterday. Throughout this journey, the lawyers who kept me engaged with their cases made me forget all physical exhaustion and mental stress. I have always considered myself a dedicated supporter of the legal profession, and I firmly believe that court is like an open university, an institution of free access that ensures the right to be heard. The beauty of law lies in its interpretation. A single provision of law takes shape through thousands of minds, each offering a unique perspective on individual and societal issues. The court is the place of unity, a pillar of social harmony. It is where litigants find solace, knowing that their voices are heard and their concerns are acknowledged. A lawyer's confidence instills hope in those who seek justice. The privilege of interpreting the law empowers lawyers and fuels their unwavering commitment to justice. I have often observed that practicing law grants a unique sense of freedom, one that is both intellectual and personal. The lively discussion in the corridors of the court are testament to the energy and resilience of the legal fraternity. Lawyers play a crucial role in shaping our nation. Their passion for justice not only benefits their clients but also strengthens the society as a whole. Their relentless pursuit of socially acceptable solutions uphold democracy. The judiciary, one of the core pillars of Indian democracy, is incomplete without the bar, just as the bench is incomplete without bar. Both must work together in harmony to ensure that justice prevails. I have full faith in our young lawyers. Lawyers will carry forward this legacy, making the institution even stronger. The court is the best place to learn, an endless source of wisdom, professional growth. As I step back into my original role as a member of the bar, I do so with immense gratitude. I am deeply thankful to my esteemed colleagues, lawyers, government leaders, and newcomers for their unconditional support, which allowed me to perform my duties to the best of my ability. I will always cherish the bench, the bar, and the people of Marathwada. I urge you all to continue upholding the dignity of this noble institution and keep it all the pinnacle of excellence. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
On behalf of my colleagues on the bench as well as my own behalf, I thank Mr. Justice Sanjay Mehare, other speakers, and all those who are present at this event physically as well as online. I declare the ceremonial farewell ovation to be over.